Hello friends, today's topic 5,500 crore Ola Electric IPO very soon. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Ola Electric Mobility, the electric vehicle company, has finalized its much awaited IPO on 2, 5 and 6 August. The institutional investors will invest on 1st August. Most of the details of the IPO have been finalized. With a fresh issue of worth of shares of 5,500 crore and then an offer for sale of 8.49 crore equity shares, the price band for the public will be announced on July 29. Ola Electric Mobility Limited was founded in 2017, primarily manufactures electric vehicles and certain core components for electric vehicles such as battery packs, motors and vehicle frames at the Ola Electric Future Factory. Since August 2021, the company has launched 7 new products. The Ola S1 Pro, the first EV model, was delivered in December 2021. On August 15, 2023, the company announced the new EV models in a range of motorcycles. The company operates physical stores as well as online stores. It has 870 experience centers and 431 service centers. The company is likely to be valued at around 35,000 to 36,000 crores. Ola had a 35% market share in the electric two-wheeler segment by the end of March 2024 compared to 21% in the previous financial year. It sold 3.29 lakh units in 2023-24 and has more than doubled its sales from 1.56 lakhs units in the 2022-23. India is the second largest two-wheeler market globally in terms of domestic sales. Out of the total two-wheeler registrations in India 2023-24, approximately 5.4% was the electric two-wheelers. E2Ws are projected to account for 41 to 56% of the domestic two-wheeler sales volume by 2027-28. Ola Electric Mobility to the financial. 31st March 2022, total revenue 456, profit after tax minus 784 crores. 31st March 2023, total revenue 2,783, profit after tax minus 1,472. 31st March 2024, total revenue 5,243 and profits after tax minus 1,584. The strengths of the particular issue. 1. It is a market leader in electric two-wheelers. 2. It has been increasing its capacity for manufacturing E2W and also battery packs and other components required. 3. Its R&D department is in India, UK, US and hence it is likely to adopt advanced technologies. What are the risks of this particular IPO? 1. Heavy competition from other companies who are already in E2W sector such as TVS Motors, Bajaj Auto and Ather Energy. There are many other companies planning to enter the sector soon. 2. IPO valuations are expected to be high, especially since it is loss-making as of now. However, its valuation is likely to be reduced by 20 to 25% compared to its past funding. Objectives of the IPO. It intends to spend Rs 1,227.64 crore out of the net fresh issue proceeds for the capacity expansion of its cell manufacturing plant Ola Gigafactory from 5 GWH to 6.4 GWH. It will repay the debt of Rs 800 crore incurred by its subsidiary. Rs 1,600 crore will be spent on research and product development and Rs 350 crore will be used for business expansion. The remainder of the IPO funds will be utilized for general corporate purposes. IPO issue information, face value Rs 10 per share, issue price to be finalized by 29 July. Promoter shareholding pattern, pre-issue shareholding 85.77%, post-issue shareholding to be decided. IPO issue information, total IPO size not finalized, fresh issue 5,500 crores, sale of shares by existing promoters and investors, offer for sale not finalized. IPO quota, qualified institutional buyers 75%, retail investors 10%, high net worth individuals and non-institutional investors 15%. IPO timetable, offer opens on 2nd August, Offer closes on 6th August, finalization of allotment 7th August, initiation of refund 8th August, credit of shares to demat account 8th August 2024, IPO shares listing date 9th August 2024. We will update in our breaking news the issue price and other pending details once announced by the company in the next 1 to 2 days. End of the video, here is the question. Do you plan to invest in the Ola Electric IPO? You may type yes or no. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.